Hi guys, this is Mary from Let's Bake and Decorate Your Cake. As you know, I was working for the last 2 days on our granddaughter's birthday cake. Thank God it's done because her birthday is tomorrow. James, go ahead and start turning it around so they can start seeing it. Now, what I was saying earlier, if you saw my video, you see how the top part is a shoe. It's made out of solid chocolate. I bought a mold for under $5, and here's my husband helping me out. Thank you, James. Yeah, so it costs $5, and all you do is melt the chocolate and pour it in there, and you get this beautiful shoe right there that you can, of course, design it the way you want to, guys. So I'm gonna get it a little bit closer so you could see. My husband is such a big help. Thank you, baby. There you go. So, I was just going to say, as you know, I never say I'm a professional, guys. All I do is I'm a grandma and a mama that loves to bake cakes. And being that we have 25 grandchildren, this is why I'm always baking and whatever tips that I learn, because I, sometimes have to learn the hard way, my mistake. And that's why I show the videos and little tips on whatever I learn. So hopefully you can learn from me. That's why I'm here. And again, this cake group that I have is not just for me to show you guys what I do. I invite everybody and anybody who makes any kind of baking, anything you like to make with your hands, share them and give us your ideas so we can learn together. God bless everyone, and we'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.